Okay, so we have here our SmartEntry slider lock. It is the SM9159E, shown here with our 4R rose and 19L lever for a true sliding door. So we have our latch bolt, which is projected. We're going to, right now it is in the unlocked position, so we're going to retract that from the outside. If you were sliding this and it was closing against the frame, this would pop out. So it's self-latching. Again, it's not locked right now, so I'm going to pop that back out. So with the phone, I just lock the outside handle. If I want to use the key to retract that, I can. Again, it stays back, and then because it's back, I get a warning sign that your latch, the latch is not extended. The door may be open, but we're going to ignore that for now. So I'm going to unlock that again. So I'm going to turn this around now to this side. So again, this would be out. Right now I have free egress. I can then, with the thumb turn, I can lock the outside handle. So now that's locked. Now when I egress in this mode, it will automatically unlock the outside handle. So right now I'm not in auto lock mode. So every time I egress, right now I'll lock it again. I egress, I'm not going to get locked out from behind. The outside handle works. If I go into the settings, I'm just going to change that real quick to auto relock mode. I'll save that. And now, when it locks, it stays locked on the outside. So again, this would be out. I'm going to unlock that temporarily. And it goes back to being locked again.